Hello there, friends. Today we're going to be making some stuffed squash. Now, this is a Mexican squash that I never bought in the States. The closest thing would be a zucchini. And you know how you get those really big zucchinis because you don't pick them often enough. And the only thing you can use them for is for bread? Well, here's an alternative. Okay, so we begin by taking two squash and cutting them lengthwise. I've got a big pot on that's about a third of the way full with water. I put in 3 quarts and put it on to boil, and as soon as it boils we will put the squash inside of it to parboil them. Okay, water's boiling, so we're going to take our calabacitas, which means calabaza is Spanish for squash, so calabacitas means little squash. All right, put all these in and let them parboil for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start softening. All right, so I cooked these for 7 minutes. They're not really cooked yet. It's just to soften them up because I need to scrape the centers. Ooh, I just got hot water on my hand. I need to scrape the centers out so that we have some place to put our meat mixture. And we're going to when we hollow out the centers, that squash is going to go in our meat mixture as well. And the last one. Alrighty, be back in just a minute. There's our squash. Okay, now that these are cool, I'm gonna scoop out all of the innards and put it into this bowl to go with the ground beef that I have in that pan. So there's our zucchini boats all scraped out. And that's about how much stuff we get, and I'm gonna mash that up really good before I add it to the meat. Okay, so got my squash and some onions in here. The onions are from my freezer, pre-prepped, and I would I would normally like them smaller than this, but I didn't prep them, so I'm gonna have to talk to the person in charge of that because these are humongous. Okay, so our meat and our squash and our onions are cooking away. So there's our zucchini boats filled. Now you want to make sure to press it down in there really well. You don't want skimpy boats.
No soggy bottoms here. No soggy bottoms. No soggy
Boats. Now we're going to put the grated cheese on top. Okay, I used Monterey Jack shredded, and now we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350. So here they are finished. I think they look delicious. I can't wait. And I have a little bit of meat mixture left over for something else for tomorrow. Maybe I'll do it with scrambled eggs or something. Oh, those look so yummy. Okay. Don't want to miss the taste test this time. All right. Oh, this looks wonderful. And it smells heavenly. Well, let's see what we got here. Get some of the melted cheese. Get a bunch of the meat. And a good nice big piece of calabaza squash. Oh, it smells good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, that is delightful. I would definitely recommend this. Y'all have no idea how many recipes of other people's I try. And I film the whole process, you know, and then it never gets to you because I taste it and it does not suit my taste, or I don't like it or whatever. But this one you'll see. All right, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here, and I really hope that you give this a try. It is delightful, and anybody can grow squash. That's like one of the basic beginner plants, you know. Now I really love this 10% hamburger meat because you can just cook everything in there and you don't have to drain the grease off or anything. There's so little grease. It's very nice. All right, I will put the full recipe down below. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks if you came back, and welcome if you're new. And please leave a comment, a thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed yet, that'd be wonderful. I'd love to add you to the family. Alrighty, thank you so much. You have a blessed evening. Toodles.